Hello, welcome to CREATA classes. Trigonometric function and ratio is the second lecture under trigonometric series, and topic of today's lecture is trigonometric ratios for 0 degree and 90 degree angle. In this lecture, we will calculate trigonometric ratios for 0 degree and 90 degree angle. Let's begin with 0 degree angle. Let's assume a right angle triangle ABC with angle theta. For this triangle, base is BC, let's assume as A, perpendicular is AB and hypotenuse is AC. Here we have assumed angle as theta and we have to find trigonometric ratios for 0 degree angle. Means we have to draw a triangle with theta as 0 degree. But how to draw a triangle with trigonometric angle as 0 degree? Let's see how we draw a triangle with angle as 0 degree. Before that, let's keep this triangle separately. It will be used to compare the trigonometric sides. Firstly, we will assume theta as 45 degree. We have to keep on reducing this angle 45 degree till it reaches 0 degree angle. Okay, let's start reducing the angle. On reducing, we have reached to 30 degree. You have seen side AB and side AC, that is perpendicular and hypotenuse, are reducing, but base BC is unchanged. Okay, let's further reduce the angle. Keep on reducing till it reached 0 degree. We have reached 0 degree. Here our triangle has been converted to a line. Perpendicular, that is side AB, has been reduced to 0. Hypotenuse, that is side AC, has been matched with base BC. Okay, means AC is equal to BC, which is further equal to A. Now we are having all the three trigonometric sides, that is base as A, perpendicular as 0 and hypotenuse as A. Let's proceed with trigonometric ratios. Sin theta will be P by H, that is 0 by A, which will be 0. Cos theta will be B by H, that is A by A, that is 1. And tan 0 degree will be P by B, that is 0 by A, that is 0. Okay. So for 0 degree, we have calculated the three trigonometric ratios. Let's update the same in our trigonometric table. Sin 0, cos 0, tan 0. Okay. Now moving to trigonometric ratios for 90 degree angle. Again, we have to draw a right angle triangle with angle theta as 90 degree. So now the same question, how to draw a triangle with angle theta as 90 degree. Let's see. Firstly, assume a right angle triangle ABC with angle theta. Here assume perpendicular as A. In 0 degree case, we have assumed base as A. Here we have assumed perpendicular as A. You will understand why. Here we have to put theta as 90 degree. We will use the same philosophy. We will put theta as 45 degree and we will keep on increasing the angle till it will reach 90 degree. Okay. In 0 degree case, we have reduced this angle 45 degree till it has reached 0 degree. Here we will increase 45 degree till it will reach 90 degree. Okay. We will start with increasing the angle. It has reached 70 degree. On further increasing, it has reached 90 degree. Again, our triangle has been changed to a single line. Here base BC has been reduced to 0. Line AB and line AC has been matched, means AB is equal to AC, which is further equal to A. Okay. So we got our three trigonometric sides, that is base as 0, perpendicular as A, hypotenuse as A. Now let's see the three trigonometric ratios. Sin 90 degree will be P by H, that is A by A, which is 1. Cos 90 degree will be B by H, that is 0 by A, which is 0. And tan 90 degree will be P by B, that is A by 0, which is not defined. Okay, tan 90 degree is not defined. A by 0 is not defined. Why A by 0 is not defined? A by 0 means what you should multiply with 0 to get a defined number A. 0 into 1 is 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 0 into 3 is 0. Whatever you multiply with 0, you will get 0. So what we should multiply with 0 to get a defined figure? Okay, it is basically positive infinity and negative infinity. This concept of not defined is lengthy and I want to discuss it in very detail with supporting animation and figure. So we'll do the same while doing trigonometric graph of tan x. Okay. For the time being, just note it down that tan 90 degree is not defined. So we got trigonometric ratios of 90 degree angle. Just update the same in our trigonometric ratio table. Sine, cos, tan. We have done 0 degree and 90 degree. Let's compare both of them. On comparing, you will observe that sine 90 degree is equal to cos 0 and sine 0 degree is equal to cos 90 degree. Just note this separately with the observations that we have done for 45 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree. In next lecture, we will use this observation to derive some formulas. Okay. So we have completed the full table of trigonometric ratios. That's it for this lecture. In next lecture, we will summarize the complete trigonometric ratio table. Thank you very much for being with CREATA classes. Bye for now.